Okay, sir.
Please. Yes, my dear children, today we are going to discuss the concepts of exercise 4.1, new chapter, that is determinants. What is meant by a determinant of a matrix? Before going to discuss determinant of a matrix, you know a system of linear equations in two variables. System of linear equations in two variables. Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to c1 is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Let us consider these are the system of linear equations in two variables. You have already learned how to solve a system of linear equations in two variables by different methods. In 10th class, you have solved the system of linear equations in two variables. Do you remember that methods, my dear children? Graphical method, algebraic method. Yes or no? Good afternoon, my dear Pritika.
Yes, sir.
Algebraic method, by drawing graph of this first line equation and by drawing the graph of the second line, we get a point of intersection. Yes or no? That point of intersection is said to be solution of this system of linear equation. That is called graphical method. Now come to the second method, that is algebraic method. In the algebraic method also, you have studied different methods. Substitution method. Do you remember that one? Elimination method. In 10th class, you have studied, you have learned. Do you remember that methods? In algebraic method, again there are different methods, different ways are there to solve a system of linear equations in two variables. First one is graphical method. And the second one is algebraic method. Again, in this algebraic method, you have studied different methods again. Do you remember that one? In algebraic method, you have studied elimination method, do you remember these methods? Elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. Do you remember these methods you have studied in 10th class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In your 10th class, you have studied these methods, algebraic method and graphical method. And again, if you discuss in the algebraic method, there are three methods again: elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. Now we use matrix method. We use matrix method to solve this system of linear equations with the help of determinants. With the help of determinants. Okay. These two system of linear equations can be represented. The above system of the above system of linear equations in two variables. Can be represented as shown below. We can represent these two system of linear equations as capital A is equal to matrix coefficient of x and y in the first equation. We write them as first row in this matrix, and in the second equation coefficient of x and y we write as second row.
Sir, you need to move your notebook a bit. Yes, sir.
Okay. In the first equation, coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1. We wrote the two numbers as first row elements. Similarly, come to the second equation. In this second equation, x coefficient is a2 and y coefficient is b2. We wrote these two numbers as second row elements. And x is equal to what are the variables here in this equations, x and y. So like this. And b is equal to what are the constants here, c1 c2. Then ax is equal to b. We can write this is system of linear equations in two variables. This is system of linear equations in two variables. So in this matrix method, we can solve the system of linear equations. In addition to this graphical method and algebraic method, we are using matrix method. By using matrices, we solve this system of linear equations in two variables. First, we wrote the coefficients of x and y in the both equations as first row and second row elements. What are the variables are involved in these two equations, x and y, we wrote as column matrix. Similarly, the constants in this system of linear equations we wrote as a column matrix. If you multiply a into x, if you found a into x, we get like this only, a1x plus b1y. In the second column, in the second row, we get a2x plus b2y is equal to c1, c2, like this. So, to solve this system of linear equations in two variables, we can write in this matrix method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, then how to solve this one? How to solve using matrix method? Here, x is unknown matrix. This is a coefficient matrix. This is called A. Matrix A is called coefficient matrix because A1, B1, A2, B2 are coefficients of x and y. That is why the matrix A is called coefficient matrix. X is called variable matrix because variables are there in this matrix. And here C1, C2, these are called constant matrix. So please remember the names of these matrices here. Matrix A is called coefficient matrix. Matrix A is called coefficient matrix. Matrix A is called coefficient matrix. Matrix B is called constant matrix, and matrix X is called variable matrix. Okay, my children. So we have to remember these terminology. Matrix A is called coefficient matrix, and matrix B is called constant matrix, and capital letter X. That matrix X is called variable matrix. So to solve this system of linear equations using this matrix method, okay, we have to find determinant of this coefficient matrix. We have to find here determinant of coefficient matrix. Determinant of a matrix is a number associated with this matrix. It is nothing but a number. Determinant of a matrix is a unique number associated with the matrix. Determinant of a matrix we are going to find determinant of this matrix A, coefficient matrix. Only for square matrices you can find determinant. Okay, so determinant of a matrix is a number it may be real or complex. Real or complex, may be a real number or complex number. Which is associated the matrix A. Just this is a definition of determinant of a square matrix. Determinant of a matrix is a unique number, a number associated with a given matrix. Then a question arises in your mind: how to find determinant of a matrix? How to find determinant of a matrix? So let us take a square matrix of order 1. After that, square matrix of order 2. After that, square matrix of order 3. We don't study the square matrices of order more than 3. Okay, my children.
Okay, sir.
Yes. For a matrix A, for this matrix A, this symbol denotes determinant, not modulus. Don't be confused here. This is not modulus symbol. Determinant is read as determinant of A. This symbol is read as determinant of A and not it is not a modulus of A. It is read as determinant of A or short form det A. Okay. Det A is equal to, we can use DET capital letter A, means determinant of the square matrix. Okay, det A is also stands for determinant of the square matrix. And sometimes we can use delta also. Delta also denote determinant of a given matrix. We can use this notation or this notation to denote determinant of a matrix. Okay, my dear children. Now come to this point. This is about determinant of a matrix. It is only a unique number, a number associated with a given matrix. Now let us find how to get determinant of a given matrix. We start with a square matrix of order 1. After that, we will find determinant of a matrix of order 2. Similarly, we find determinant of a matrix, determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Okay. Order of the square matrix. Here I am taking matrix with some elements. Matrix A. Here we are finding det A. Suppose if you are taking a square matrix of order 1, if you take a square matrix of order 1, okay, so A is equal to matrix, only one element is there, only one element. Okay, if only one element is there, then det A, whatever the element is there inside the matrix, whatever the element is there inside the matrix, the determinant of the square matrix of order 1 is the element itself. It may be positive number or it may be negative number. It may be a positive number, it may be a negative number. Okay, suppose example, det A is equal, matrix is equal to 5, matrix 5, then det A is equal to 5, its determinant is 5 only. Suppose matrix then det A, determinant of this matrix A is equal to minus 2 by 3. Whatever the element is there inside the matrix, minus 2 by 3, same number. We should not change it, it's a sign. Understood this one? The determinant of a square matrix of order 1. How to find determinant of a square matrix of order 1? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, let us come to the next. Determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Let us take determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Suppose if you take a square matrix of order 2. So let us take an example. Matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. What is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix?
2, sir.
Yes, 2. Okay. In this case, to find the determinant of this square matrix, just like cross multiplication, multiply these two numbers. Multiply these two numbers. We can denote like this also. Det A11, A12, A21, A22. To find determinant of this matrix, just like cross multiplication, A11 into A22, this number into this number. This diagonal element should be multiplied. This diagonal elements should be multiplied minus, keep minus sign, multiply these two elements in this diagonal. A21, A12. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Let us take an example. A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Then det A is equal to, how do you write det? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how do you find the determinant of this matrix? 1 into 4. Okay. 1 into 4. This element into this element. Minus, keep minus a sign. This element into this element. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Then what will you get here? 4 minus 6. That is equal to minus 2. So, determinant of this matrix is minus 2. Let us take another example. A is equal to, or B is equal to matrix minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4. Then det B is equal to det minus 1, minus 2, 3, 4. Tell me, how do you find determinant of this matrix B? Minus 1.
Sir, minus 1 into 4.
Minus 1 into 4. Keep minus. Remember this point. You should remember this. This is the first term. After completing the first term, immediately write the minus sign. Minus symbol. Keep minus symbol immediately. Next. 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 or 3 into minus 2. So what will you get? Minus 4 plus 6. So this is the determinant of the matrix B. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
And one more example, I will give one more example. C is equal to matrix. C is equal to matrix. Then det C is equal to det 2 minus 2, 2, 2. Now tell me, how do you find determinant of this matrix C?
2 into 2, sir.
2 into 2. This diagonal elements minus
2 into minus 2, sir.
2 into minus 2. Now simplify these numbers. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4.
4, sir. 8, sir.
So this is the determinant of the matrix C. Understood how to find determinant of a square matrix of order 2. I have explained numerically. I have taken some examples also. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
This is about determinant of a square matrix of order 2. This is about determinant of a square matrix of order 1. Okay. Now we will discuss determinant of a square matrix of order 3. You should be very careful in this case. There is no difficult point, but you have to concentrate. But you should concentrate, then you can easily understand this one. Don't read this one as modulus A, my dear children. Again and again, I'm telling you, this is not read as a modulus of A. This is read as det A or determinant of the matrix A. Okay. Now, let us discuss the determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Okay. So, matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13. These are the elements in the first row. That is why, see here A11, A12, A13. Second row elements A21, A22, A23. A31, A32, A33. Now det A is equal to det A11, A12, A13. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. I wrote the matrix as it is, but here I did not write the square brackets. These are det brackets, that symbol. Okay. Now, how to find? Please remember these points, my dear children. Listen carefully. Here, we can find determinant of this square matrix. Very simple logic. Listen carefully here. First write this first element A11. Okay. Write here det bracket. Okay. We have taken first element in the first row. We are finding the determinant of the matrix by expanding first row. Here we are using first row only to find determinant of the matrix A. So first element I wrote here, close that first row and first column because we have taken first row, first column element. So close that first row, first column. What are the elements left here? A22, yes or no? A22, A23, A32. We get a small bracket, small part of this matrix. A22, A23, A32, A33. Yes or no? So close this row, first row and first column, first row and first column. Then what are the four elements you observe here?
Sir, A22, A23, A32 and A33, sir.
Just copy and paste here. Copy the same and paste here. Okay, this is the first term. Next, keep here minus. Keep here minus. Next, second number, second element, A12. Second element, again write here. Whatever the procedure, whatever the steps we followed, here also we followed same step. This element lies in the first row, second column. Yes or no? This second number lies in the first row, second column. So close the first row and second column. What are the elements left here? What are the elements left here?
Sir, A21, A23, A31 and A33, sir.
A31, A33. Okay. Just write the copy that part and paste here. Copy, cut, copy, paste like this. Plus, now take the third element. Now, what is the third element to the first row? A13. A13. And again keep here dead symbol. Again keep here dead symbol. Follow the same step here also. This element lies in the first row, third column. A13 lies in the first row, third column. So close the first row and the third column. Then what are the four elements left here after closing this first row and the third column?
A21, A22, A31, A32.
A32. This is important line, very important line to find determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Again, if you observe here, this is a square matrix of order 2. This is a square matrix of order 2. This is also square matrix of order 2. Previously, we have discussed how to find determinant of a square matrix of order 2. In these previous examples, we have found this diagonal elements multiplication and minus the product of these diagonal elements. The product of these diagonal elements minus the product of these diagonal elements. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we follow the same steps here to find determinant of this matrix, determinant of this matrix, determinant of this matrix. A11 into this number minus A12 into this number plus A13 into this number. That's all. Okay, let us take an example. Let us take an example to find a square matrix of order 3. A square matrix of order 3. One, two, four. Two minus 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. So this is a square matrix of order 3. Then det A is equal to det 1, 2, 4. Write all the elements as it is. 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. Now tell me, what is the first step here? Take first element, first row, first element. What is the first row, first element here? 1. Yes or no? Keep here dead symbol. Keep here dead symbol. Okay. Keep here dead symbol. Then what I said, close the first row, first column. Close the first row, first column. Then what are the elements you get here by closing the first row?
Minus 3, 1, and 0 and 2, sir.
Yes, minus 3, 1, 0, 2. So this is the first term. We got here first term. After that, I told you, keep minus sign. After that, write the second number in the first row. What is the second number in the first row? Say 2. So 2 into, write as it is. If it is a minus, write minus 2. Okay, 2 into, again, dead symbol. Keep here dead symbol. Follow the same procedure. This number lies in the first row, second column. Yes or no? First row, second column. So close the first row, second column. Then what are the four numbers left here?
2 and 1, 4 and 2, sir.
2, 1, 4, 2. Okay. After that, keep here plus sign. Keep here plus sign. And write the third element in the first row. Third element in the first row. And keep here dead symbol. Keep here dead symbol. Again, this number lies in the first row, third column. Yes or no? First row, third column. Close that first row and the third column. What are the elements left here?
So
2 minus 3 and 4, 0.
2 minus 3, 4, 0. Okay. This line is very important. This line is very important step. Now, 1 into, use square brackets. Minus 3 into 2. Yes or no? Minus 3 into 2. This diagonal elements should be multiplied minus this diagonal elements 0 into 1. Similarly, minus 2 into 2, this diagonal elements minus this diagonal elements should be multiplied. Plus 4 into use square brackets 2 into 0 minus 3 into 4. Now tell me what we'll get here. 1 into what we'll get here, minus 6 minus 0 minus 2 into 4 minus 4 plus 4 into 0 plus 12. Understood this line? Simplified. I simplified the numbers. That's all. Then what will you get here? What is the next step? That is equal to 1 into minus 6 minus 2 into 0 plus 4 into 12. What will you get here? Minus 6 plus 0 plus 48. What will you get? 48 minus 6? 42. This is the determinant of the matrix A. Understood these steps, my dear children? Understood these steps?
Yes, sir.
Again, I will explain you how to find determinant of a matrix of order 3. This is a given matrix, a square matrix of order 3. We are going to find determinant of this square matrix. So we keep here det symbol, det A is equal to, here also we keep here det symbol. Please remember, these are det symbols, not a modulus symbol. Okay. So det symbol. In between the det symbol, write the matrix as it is, copy, paste. Copy and here paste. 1, 2, 4, 2 minus 3, 1, 4, 0, 2. Here we are finding determinant of the square matrix by expanding first row. We concentrated only on first row. We have taken 1, 2, 4 only. And we have closed first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, like this. Yes or no? So that is equal to first and foremost. First element, write it as it is, write that element as it is, keep that symbol, keep that det symbol. Are you listening carefully?
Yes, sir.
After that, close that first row and first column, because we have taken this number. From which row and which column this number is taken? 1. From which row and which column this number 1 is taken? Taken from first row, first column. Yes or no? This number, position of this element is first row, first column. So we close that first row, first column. Then you can see only 4 elements. You can see only 4 elements left here. Minus 3, 1, 0, 2. Yes or no? You can see only after closing the first row and first column, you can see minus 3, 1, 0, 2. Copy that part and paste here. Copy and paste here. Minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0, 2. After that, keep here minus sign. It is very important step. Minus sign should be kept here. After that, take the second element in the first row. That is 2. Again, keep here det symbol. Keep here det symbol, not modulus symbol. See this number 2. What is the position of this element in this matrix? What is the position of this element in this matrix? Position means in which row and in which column this number lies.
Sir, A12, sir.
First row, second column. In terms of words, what do you say? In terms of words, this element lies in the first row, second column. Yes or no? So close first row, second column. Then you can see only 4 numbers. After closing the first row, second column, you can see only 4 elements. What are the 4 elements left here? 2, 1, 4, 2. Yes or no? 2, 1, 4, 2. Right? The same 4 elements cut, copy, paste here. 2, 1, 4, 2. Understood this is second term? Understood this is second term?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to write third term. So before third term, keep here plus sign. Keep here plus sign. So indirectly here plus, minus, plus. You should keep these symbols. These are fixed places. Fixed places. Okay. Plus, write the third element in the first row. What is the position of this number? Tell me, what is the position of this number in this matrix? In which row? In which column?
First row, third column, sir.
So, first row, close the first row and the third column. Close the first row and the third column. Then you can see only 4 elements. After closing this first row and third column, you can see only these 4 elements. 2 minus 3, 4, 0. Yes or no? Cut, copy, paste here. As it is 2 minus 3, 4, 0. Understood this one? This is an important step. After that, we have to find determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. Just like cross multiplication. Okay. What made it, Kiran Raj? Okay, 1 into, use here square brackets. This diagonal matrix, multiply these 2 elements in this diagonal, minus, keep here minus. I told here also clearly. I told here, you should keep here minus. Here, multiply these 2 elements in this diagonal. Minus 2, we write this number with this number as it is. Square bracket, keep here square bracket. In this square brackets, multiply these 2 elements in this diagonal, 2 into 2, keep here minus. You should remember this point. Keeping minus a sign, it is very important. Otherwise, you get wrong answer. Okay, minus a sign. And multiply these 2 elements. Okay, next we write this third term plus 4 into square brackets. Again, multiply these 2 elements in the principal diagonal. This is called principal diagonal. Previously also I told you, principal diagonal. Multiply the elements in the principal diagonal, minus, keep minus a sign, and multiply the 2 elements in this diagonal. Okay, understood this step also?
Yes, sir.
In the next step, simplification only. Simplification of the numbers. If you are strong in simplification of numbers, you get a correct answer. But you should remember these 2 steps. These 2 steps are important steps. This step and this step. These 2 steps are important steps. You should remember these 2 steps. How to write these 2 steps? These 2 steps are important steps when you are finding determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Okay, my children. Here we have found the determinant of this square matrix of order 3 by expanding here by expanding the first row. This is called first row. We can expand by second row also. By expanding the third row also, we can find the determinant of this matrix. We will discuss that point. In that expansion also, you get the same answer, 42. In that case also, you get the same answer, 42. Okay, my children. Now you can leave the meeting, my children. Now the time is 2 past 15 minutes. You can leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. And do your work sincerely and seriously. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all, my dear children.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my dear Joseph.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my dear Ayush.
Sir,
Jason, tell me.
sir, I have a doubt in the homework sums you gave, sir. Friday sums.
Friday.
Yes, sir. That matrix is order 3, sir.
Ah,
That questions I didn't get the answer, sir.
Sir, even I have the same doubt, sir.
What is the doubt?
No, sir. When I tried solving it, I was unable to get the final answer.
Okay, today evening we will discuss. Okay,
Okay, sir.
make a phone call. You also,
Okay.
Pritika, if you have any doubt, make a phone call after 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you post a recorded video of Friday's class, sir?
Yes, posted or not, Grayson? I have posted the video or not?
Sir,
Friday.
for
I think you have
Friday you
posted.
didn't, sir.
Huh? Not posted. Friday class. Once you check.
I'll take it, sir. 1 minute.
Once you check, I have posted. I think I have posted every class in the video format so far. Once you check.
Yes, sir. You have posted.
Yes, sir, it is posted, sir. I didn't see that link, sir.
Yes, that. Well, one day or some other day, I will post at any cost. I am posting the videos. After taking the class in video format, at any cost, sometimes it is delayed by 1 day. It is delayed by 1 day, not on the same day. It is not possible to post that video on the same day. So, in that case, I am posting that video in the next day. Okay, my dear Pritika.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't see that link given above the PDF, sir.
Yes, that is why I'm telling you. That is why I'm clarifying your doubt. Every day I'm posting the video. In case if any urgent work is there for me, then I was unable to post that video. In that case, I posted that video in the next day. At any cost, I am posting the videos. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
Then
Thank you, sir.
you can call me today after 6 o'clock. I will clarify your doubts. I will clear your doubts.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.